Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Toyota CHR key battery. It's a straightforward process that you can easily do yourself at home. First, you'll need just a couple of simple tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Having these ready will make the entire process smooth and efficient, getting your key fob back to full power in no time. Now, let's open up the key fob. First, slide the small latch on the side or bottom to release and remove the emergency key. Then, locate the small slot where the emergency key was removed from. Insert the tip of the emergency key or a small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a slight, careful twist, the two halves of the key fob will begin to separate. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery nestled inside. Before you remove it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side. Now, use your screwdriver to gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Once it's out, take your new battery and carefully place it into the slot, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the fob, making sure all the internal components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Don't forget to slide your emergency key back into its slot. Your key fob should now be fully functional, so go ahead and test it out to confirm everything is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.